Now, Janey, you've written an awful lot about this kind of thing. Let's start with Echinacea first of all. Do you think there's something in this research that says it can deal with colds and even help you if you've got one?
Yeah, I do. I really do. I mean, I think there's probably some problems and issues with the study, and there are many different types of Echinacea, and the jury's kind of out as to when you should take it and how long for, because I think it can be confusing if people think they're meant to take it all year round in order to prevent colds. That's not the case. In my opinion, you should take a good quality Echinacea and be careful that, you know, in this sense, you do kind of get what you pay for, and take it for basically a few days when you feel the onset of a cold, or if you know that you're going to be prone to infection. Basically, if someone's sneezing all over you on the underground or on the train, it's probably a good time to start taking it for a few days. But don't overdose on it, and definitely don't take it all year round. And I absolutely do think it works, without doubt.
Yeah, but you're a bit more sceptical yesterday, weren't you, Rosemary?
Yes.
And we were talking about it, and we had a lot of people writing in to say that they feel Echinacea benefits them. I mean, what do you think about herbal remedies per se? Are they useful?
Well, one of the biggest problems for me and many doctors about herbal remedies is the lack of control in the market. And you can go out to the high street and you can see special offers of vast tubs of herbal remedies, and there is very little control about what's actually in it, and you could be paying out and getting nothing but effectively talcum powder and filler. The good news is the European Union, this is actually good news about the European Union, has introduced new herbal medicine controls. And as from in a couple of months' time, there will actually be regulated herbal remedies out there on the market. They will be formally regulated as traditional remedies, and those, the quality has to be assured. And that, for me, is wonderful news, that if you want to go down the herbal remedy route, you can at least know that you're not wasting your money.
I think Rosemary's right. What concerns me as well is that people sort of go into a regular health food shop and there are stacks and stacks of different types of supplements and vitamins and minerals, and with the best will in the world, it is so confusing. Okay. You'll be rattling if you take all of that.
Yeah, indeed. I just want to go through some of the suggestions we were sent yesterday. Rosehip syrup. A lot of people will remember that from being a child.
Amazing in vitamin C, far more vitamin C than you'll find in oranges.
And also
arthritis.
The latest research is that rosehip, extract of dogwood rose, can really help with arthritis. The research is fairly new, but what's coming out is very, very good indeed.
And you tend to be sceptical when it comes to herbal remedies. I know, because we talked to you about it a lot. So which ones would you, as a GP, say, yeah, you know what, I think this probably...
Saw palmetto for prostate problems can be very helpful. And as this latest one, rosehip, glucosamine, I don't know whether you'd really classify that as a herbal remedy. It's more of a food supplement for joints, and chondroitin for joints as well.
I had quite a lot of food supplements. Ginger, garlic, of course. And what about good old chicken soup, Janey?
Apparently it's brilliant. Now, I'm a vegetarian, so I don't eat it, but you know, for the soul and everything else, I'm told it is literally absolutely wonderful. Some of the old-style stuff is the best. Lemon and ginger, boil up lemon and ginger with water.
Yes, for sore throats.
Those things are wonderful for just about everything.
Lemon and honey.
Lemon and honey is wonderful.
Have something made in Scotland as well helps as well.
I mean,
yeah, absolutely.
Grapes and ginger is one of the best things you can do for nausea, morning sickness, all kinds of things. It's fantastic.
Clove oil for toothache.
Of course, oil of cloves, yes.
Okay, anything else before we go?
Well,
I'm trying to remember this so I can write them down.
The thing that I think everybody needs is omega-3, 6 and 9, and we've talked a lot about it, particularly, you know, we know children need it for concentration.
The essential fats.
But we all need it. Essential fatty acids, we just do not get enough in our diet, I really believe that.
6 we do, but 3 we don't.
Right.
Okay. Omega-3.
Omega-3.
I noticed in our shop there of Alternative Remedies, the old breakfast tea mug appeared as well.